Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. This video is for Bryan in California, and this throttle is a non-ASR E420 model. It's the regular throttle and direct activation. So the wires were completely gone on this one, and then I had to kind of like make this entry point to seal it off because it was broken off. I always like to leave original piece of the actual seal, but anyway, so I did that. I changed the cables, and the throttle is being on the bench at the moment. Let's go and show the temperature here. As you can see, the internals are over 100 degrees, and it's not really that, I mean, it's like 67 in here. So this just shows you that the throttle has been working for a while now. And that's what I wanted to show. Now, next is the readings. Now, the problem with these throttles is the clutch coil. That's the reason why it sits on the bench for all this time, because we wanted to just sit here and activate it to get coil really hot, because these coils, they go bad, and it's very difficult to I replaced the coil in this particular unit, so for that reason I keep them running. It's not 100,000% test, but much better than just nothing. Okay, now the readings. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you a couple of readings here. The case is open for a reason, so I just want to show you. Now, first thing is, when we open and close our throttle plate itself, you just see the potentiometer down there changes. Potentiometer R1, so that means that one potentiometer reads fine. The second potentiometer I cannot show without gear being in place. As you can see, the motor tries to bring the throttle plate in the position where it must be. If I do it manually, if I can actually get it to be where it needs to be to stop this motor. You see, I can actually bring the plate manually to the location where it must be. That's the secondary potentiometer in play. Let's just open it up. So here the secondary potentiometer is opened up. As you can see, value on R2 also changes. So that is only at the condition when clutch coil is engaged and the motor in gear removed. Other than that, I won't be able to show it. Also, the safety contact switch moved over. It's biting into my finger hard, so the safety contact switch right there. So as you can see, it works. Everything is fine here. Here's some flash here. So right now it is in limp because I had run it without gear in place. And real quick activation, I have to still put it together. Let's just reactivate the unit. Here's my power switch. This is what you're going to expect on a working unit. Power off, power on. So I just reset the computer. I just reset the control module, and this is the activation. Throttle motor holds the plate at preset value. So we're perfectly fine in this department. I have no problems with it. So basically, yeah, this is all I wanted to show. And this unit is basically ready to go. And yeah, ready to be installed back in the vehicle. Okay, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.